To create an account on Mercari, visit the App Store on your mobile device and download the Mercari app. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your device and tap the Sign Up or Get Started button. Fill in the required fields, including your email address, phone number, and desired password. You may also have the option to sign up using your Facebook or Google account. Depending on your chosen sign up method, you may need to verify your email address or phone number. Choose a unique username for your Mercury account. Review and agree to Mercury's set terms of service and privacy policy. Once all required information is provided and agreed upon, tap on the Sign Up button to complete the registration process. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your Mercury account has been created successfully. Now that your account is set up, you can start browsing listings to buy items or list your own items for sale on Mercury. By following these steps, you can easily create an account on Mercury and start buying and selling items within the app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.